Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'm going to be doing some DIYs on some Poundland items. Actually a few that I already had knocking about the place, and I thought it'd be a good idea to personalise them, maybe create some nice gift ideas or some Christmas ornaments. And I'm really excited to say that today's video is sponsored by Cricut. You may have heard of their machines, and they've sent me over the Cricut Joy, which says your DIY best friend, and I do think I've made a new best friend right here. So essentially this is a cutting machine. It can also draw as well. So you may know that I'm a big fan of my label maker, and I feel like this is the label maker of all label makers. There's so many different things that we can do with this. So they have a design space. You can download the app and there's loads of different designs that you can choose from, or you can even upload your own as well. And then into this you can feed in different materials for all of your labels or all of your personalization. So there's different vinyls that you can pop into here, so you can get removable ones or permanent ones if you're looking to label things around the house. It can cut out card, there's infusible ink that you can use, and you can also do transfers onto fabrics too. You can pick this up in lots of different stores around the UK. It's stocked in Hobbycraft, John Lewis, you can find it on Amazon. So I'll link this machine for you down in the description box. If you like the look of it, you can click through to get your hands on one. And I'm really excited to get cracking with some DIYs and some personalisation. And yeah, I'm sure we'll be doing a lot more personalising things in future videos as well. I feel like I'll be labelling pretty much everything in my home from now on. So I'm really excited to get started with this video, and thank you very much to Cricut for sponsoring it. Before we get into the video, if you're new here, do click subscribe. I post new videos every single week. And if you enjoy the DIYs, do give this video a thumbs up. Okay, quick sip of the coffee and we'll get started. So first up, I'm using these metal planters. These were from Poundland, and I thought they'd make a really nice stationery organising set. So I'm using the app to create some labels. So I've labelled up pens, pencils and tools. And then I'm going in with the smart vinyl. I'm using the removable kind in case I decide to switch them up in the future. And then the Cricut machine is cutting out the labels for me. It's so quick and easy to use. Next up, I'm using some of the transfer tape. This just makes putting the labels on that bit easier. So it essentially lifts the sticker off and makes sure the lettering goes on nice and neatly to whatever you're transferring the label onto. And this part is my favourite. It is so satisfying. I'm just using the tool to make sure the labels are nicely attached and then just peeling off the transfer tape. And as you can see, they've turned out really nicely. So they're great to organise all my pens, pencils and tools. And here's how they turned out. Next up, I'm using this hanging glass frame. I think I picked this up around Mother's Day. I think it was part of the Mother's Day collection, but I've already peeled off what was already on there, and now I'm going to be personalising it with a festive slogan. So on the app, I found this really fun phrase that says, "Drink up Grinches." So I'm going for this one, and I'm using this gold metallic effect vinyl for this one to give it a festive touch. I'm now using the weeding tool just to take out any smaller detailing on the letters. And again, I'm using the transfer tape to make sure that I can transfer it nice and easily. And this really helps, just making it really smooth to go across without any mishaps. With the clear transfer tape as well, it really helps to be able to place your lettering into the perfect spot. Felt like this needed something else, so I found this martini glass design on the app, and so I decided to go in with some of the pink vinyl just to give it an extra dimension. And here's how it turned out. Next up, I'm taking one of these lanterns. These are £5 in Poundland, and I found this really nice house design that I thought would look lovely on this. And I like the fact that it has the cutouts for the windows and the doors that I thought would look really nice being lit up. So again, I'm going on with some of the removable vinyl for this one, so I could switch it up in a future year if I do decide to change the design on this one. And here's how it turned out. I had this really nice glass tray from Poundland. This is for jewellery and that sort of thing. And I found this fun quote that says, "Proud member of the naughty list," which I am. So again, I'm going in with some vinyl to personalise this one. And I think this will make a really lovely ornament for Christmas time. Bit of fun and something that I think will look great on the mantelpiece. Using the transfer tape, I can work out where I want the letters to go and just work out the best way to place them on the tray. It might be worth actually laying them all out together just so you can get the spacing a bit better, but I just sort of guessed it and hoped for the best. But I think it turned out okay, and here's how it turned out. And finally, I just wanted to show you how the card looks when that's cut out. So I cut out this really simple wreath design that you could hook over some of these star garlands that you can pick up in Poundland, but I've decided just to hang it over this White Company thrifted lantern. I think it looks lovely on there. Really simple and nice little touch. Can we just appreciate this purple sky, by the way? I don't normally film against the window, but it looks like a fake backdrop, doesn't it? But that is the actual sky out there that you're seeing behind me. But yeah, let me know what you thought of the DIYs. Let me know down below in the comments which one was your favourite. And if you want to check out the Cricut Joy for yourself, I will leave a link to that down in the description box below. And thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video. So yeah, give the video a little thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you're new here, do click subscribe for new videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.